What is happening in Santa Cruz County real estate right now? Well, let me start by saying it's still very much a seller's market, even though it doesn't feel that way when you compare it to how things were in 2020 through early 2022. So sellers, there's still not enough homes available for the buyers that are still in the market. And buyers, this decrease in competition is great news for you, even though it doesn't feel that way with high rates. So sellers are getting a little nervous. They're making more concessions like repairs, covering closing costs, and even helping you buy down your mortgage rate. And this decrease in competition also means fewer bidding wars, so you can keep some of your contingencies. There's not wild price escalations and things like that. And prices have stabilized. Things dropped a little bit in the spring of last year, and they've just kind of been bobbing around between 1.2 and 1.3 million here in Santa Cruz County, instead of going up and away like we got used to. So sellers, great market for you. Buyers, great opportunity out there.